Let me show you how you can integrate Google Sheet and Gmail. So as I will make a new entry, an instant email will be sent to that lead. So now let's make the entry and see the magic of this automation. So here you can see that I have made this entry providing the user's full name, email, phone number, city and the product in which my user is interested. Now an instant email might be sent to this lead. So now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check for that email. So right here I'm on my Gmail account where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this email which is having the subject interested in Pabbly Connect. Let's help. And you might observe one change that I'm getting the same product name for which I have just made the entry here in my Google Sheet, and afterwards you will see that we are getting the same name and again the same product. So by using this automation tool, you can send personalized emails to your leads. And by looking at this email, you can see that as soon as I have made the entry, an instant email is sent to my leads. So now you can also automate the process of sending emails to your leads by just using this automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool by using which you can integrate your varieties or thousands of business applications and can automate your entire business task. And using Pabbly Connect is so easy because it doesn't require any coding or technical skills. So now let me show you how you can also create this amazing integration of Google Sheet and Gmail for your business. And for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect. And right here we are on the official website of Pabbly Connect where we are getting two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you're a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering the free trial, means you can create and try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, providing you a heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where we have to select our trigger application. So right here I'm going to select it as Google Sheet, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive new lead entry over my Google Sheet. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row and build the connection. And now for building the connection, we have to enter this webhook URL on the Google Sheet from where we want to fetch the data. So basically this is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. So now let's copy it, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet through which I want to receive my data. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet named as my leads where I have already made a test entry. And now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extension, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhooks, which I have selected. And right here you can see that this app or this application is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, and here we are getting this option for Pabbly Connect Webhooks where you have to select this initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box. And right here we are getting this initial setup dialog box where I'm going to add the webhook URL which I have just received from Pabbly Connect. And now for the trigger column, we have to enter the last data column of our Google Sheet, and the last data column right here is E. So here I'm going to enter it as E. Now we just have to submit it, and here you can see that my setup has been configured. Now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect, and we are already having the data right here. So I'm going to just click over this send test, and this test data will be sent. And here you can see that we are getting this pop-up which says test data sent successfully. So now let's move on towards the Pabbly Connect and check out for this data. So right here I'm on my Pabbly Connect where we are successfully receiving the data having the same fields and the same response for which I have just made a new entry over my Google Sheet. So with this we have successfully received the response. Now as you will make a new entry, the data will be automatically captured, and for that you have to perform one more thing, that you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. And now we are having the data. Now we just have to integrate Gmail with this so that I can send automated emails to my leads. So here I'm going to add my action application followed by this trigger application, that is going to be Gmail. Now let's select the app event as send email and click over this connect button. And right here, for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. And here you can see that the connection has been built in, and we are getting this first field for entering the sender's name. So here I'm going to enter the sender's name manually, and afterwards we are getting this field for entering the sender email address. And as I have built in the connection, I'm getting my email address. So here you can enter your business email address. And now for this field, that is recipient email address, we are going to enter the email address of my user for which I have just made the entry. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type it like this, but no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my recipient email address from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process is so simple, you just have to press the slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So here we are receiving this email which I'm going to map. Now for this field, that is CC and BCC, so if you want to send this email to multiple recipients, then you can provide the CC and BCC as well. Now for the email subject, I'm going to enter it. So this is the email subject which I'm going to send, and here after this word, that is interested in, I'm going to enter the name of the product in which my user is interested. So here I'm going to just enter it, and now this field is dynamic, means this will be replaced as the new entry will be made over the Google Sheet. Now let's provide the email content. So this is the email content which I'm going to send to my user, and here in the place of customer name, I'm going to map the name of the customer for which I have just made a new entry over my Google Sheet. So here I have mapped the full name, and here in the place of product name, I'm going to map the product in which my user is interested. So here I'm going to map it. And now we are done with our email content, and from this field, that is email content type, you can select either it as plain or HTML. And now we just have to click over this save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that this email is sent. So now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check for it. So right here I'm on my Gmail account, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this email having the subject interested in Pabbly chat flow, let's help. And here we are getting the same name of the user and the same product in which my user is interested, you can see over here. So now we have successfully integrated our Google Sheet with Gmail. So now as I will make a new entry over my Google Sheet, an instant email will be sent to that lead. So now you can see how amazing this automation tool is, which is sending emails to my leads just by making entry over my another application, that is Google Sheet. So now you can also automate your business applications by just using one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.